Hello, my name is Brian Richards, and I will be giving a brief tutorial for students on how to log in to our online databases from off-campus. When accessing our library databases from an off-campus location, you will need to sign in using your library username and password. The off-campus library access login will ask you for your last name and your library password. When entering your last name, please be sure that the first letter is capitalized. If you have a hyphenated last name, please capitalize the first letter of each name and remove any hyphens or spaces between the names. Your library password will be your first initial capitalized, last name with the first letter capitalized, and the last 4 digits of your student ID. Please ensure that there are no spaces within your password. Again, for those students who have a hyphenated last name, the first letter of each name will be capitalized and all spaces and hyphens will be removed. Should you have any difficulty logging in, please contact the EGCC library for assistance at libhelp@egcc.edu. Faculty should contact the library for their off-campus login credentials. Thank you.